Today in this video I will tell you how to download and install Android Studio. First you have to type in Google Android Studio, then enter. Then this page will come. You have to go to the first link, download Android Studio and SDK tools. Click here. Android Studio is very important for the to make Android apps. It is based on IDE. Okay, then this page will come. Download Android Studio. It is around 758 MB. Then click here and download it and open computer and go to the downloads. Here it is. After downloading, you double click here. Okay, now click run. Please wait while setup is loading. The setup file is loading now. Android Studio is based on IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. It provides comprehensive facilities to the software developers. If you want to make Android apps, then it is very important. Then click next. Android virtual device, next. Click next. Okay, the part by default. Okay, next and install. It will take some time to complete the installation. By using Android Studio, you can make any Android app, and it is easy to use. You must have some knowledge about Java, JDK, and some basic knowledge of Android. Then you can easily use this Android Studio and you can make Android apps. Okay, this will take some time extracting the set of files. Please subscribe this channel, Sandy Knowledge. You will get further updates about Java or Android Studio and how to make apps. I will make video on that. Then click next. I will make shortcut after the installation finish. And now you can go to my computer and search here Android. Okay, come to down. Android Studio, click here. You will get this. Right click here. Okay, then send to desktop shortcut. Okay, then your shortcut will come to the desktop. You can just double click here, or you can right click on it and run as administrator. Click here. Then Android Studio will open. Actually, when you first open the Android Studio, then it will download some extra SDK files. This will take some time. Okay, now finding available SDK components. After the setup file is installed, complete the installation, then SDK file, software development kit, the full form of SDK is then it will automatically finding and downloading the SDK files. I think now download of SDK file is complete. Please subscribe the channel Any Knowledge by clicking the button. Okay, welcome Android Studio. You can make apps for mobile, watch, television, etc. Standard. Next. Okay, standard and custom है. Just click next and this page will come. Next, okay, here you can see finish. Again, some SDK files will be downloaded. For the first time, if you install the Android Studio, then it will download and extract SDK files automatically. It will take some time, but okay, now installation is complete. Now you can start new Android Studio project by clicking on the first option. Here your application name, next your company domain, or close it and reopen the app by simply clicking right click on the shortcut and run as administrator. It will take some time to open the Android Studio. You can use this Android Studio app for making apps for Android. Okay, this is open. Just click on the first option, that is start a new project on Android Studio. Here first one is application name and second one is company domain, and here the app name will become, and this is the combination of the first two. If you want to publish your Android app into Play Store, then must be your app name is unique. Just click here. And here first option is for phone and tablet, second one is Wear, and third one is TV and etc. I will use this for phone and tablet. So just click on the first link and you can select here different API, different versions of Android, Jelly Bean, KitKat, Marshmallow, etc. You can choose anyone. As your requirement. Okay, so I select Jelly Bean. Okay, then it will show how much percentage of people are using Jelly Bean or KitKat or Marshmallow. then click next. Okay, here different types of starting skins are here. Your first user, so just click on the empty activity.